Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI just 4 days ago, to be precise, on March the 7th of this year. And the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $12.44. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we have to complete the C wave to the downside. And internally, we didn't have a proper share count. And I told you that we have to see at least two major waves on this scale to complete its fifth wave. And this will be the end of C wave retracement. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point at $12.44, somewhere here. And since I made my previous video, we had another leg to the downside, and it is 100% in line with my forecast that we have to complete the fifth wave and the bottom of the C wave. But the structure of this wave makes me thinking that we are not at the end of this movement. And everything I will show you in just several minutes. But guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of. But the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game changer opportunity. And if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself. And guys, this is the most recent actions in my Discord group. Take a look right here. First of all, I want to show you that it is only 7 vacant places for the gold tier remains right now. And right here, you can see that the most recent actions in my Discord group is following. One of my Discord member upgraded his membership to gold tier, and here's his update. Hello Andrew, I upgraded gold to gold because I have learned so much in just 3 weeks and it is absolutely worth it. I really enhance my skills and it's a pleasure to have you as my mentor who checks my setups, my counts and gives much input. And I responded to him, thank you very much, it is only the beginning. I have many ideas about how my gold members can benefit even more. And guys, I made a lot of updates for my Patreons. I made crucial reminders about the events that might drastically impact the price. I made, let me show you, I made quite a few videos on demand on different ticker symbols that I don't publish publicly on YouTube. You can see it is a coin zone, PL, Palantir, MSTR, Tesla, Bitcoin, Teledoc, Porsche, PayPal, Amazon, and others. On top of that, guys, I publish a lot of tutorials with the exact real-time examples how you should or should not trade certain setups. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. I made even recaps on my tutorials. Here is the result of the actual price action of the setup that I marked previously. And definitely, if you want to enhance your trading skills, guys, you should be a member of this Patreon group, because guys, for now I have only 4 members, 4 active members, and 3 of them are the gold tier members. That is why, guys, when this tier is full, I will close it, I think, forever, and you will be able only to enter my Discord access, which is also extremely supportive for the traders, because I pretty much show all the details about the conditions of the market and the certain conditions on the asset. The only difference is that these people don't have one-on-one 30-minute Zoom call with me, and they don't have the precise setups that pretty much I take.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look at its bigger picture, at its movement on a daily time frame. And as you can see, SOFI already hit quite low levels compared to its movement to the upside. Let's do some measurements. Let's pull the Fib retracement tool from its lowest point to its highest point. And as you can see, we are approaching, if I compare it with the top of the B wave, it is not the right case. We have to pull it from the top of the third wave. But nevertheless, one way or another, we are approaching to its crucial level of about 10.7 $7, and I will explain you in a minute why it is so important for SOFI. And for now, guys, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to show you that we have an update according to consensus analyst price target based on 16 ratings. And for now, the price target for SOFI is set at $14.31. It is about 27.09% of upside potential. And the most recent update was made by Bank of America. They reiterated their rating just 5 days ago. And let me show you. They set the price target at $13 mark. Somewhere here I found... wait a second. Yes, Bank of America maintains SOFI stock underperform with $13 price target. And on the one hand, $13 is still above our current price. It is not so far, about 16.45%. And for the 12 months price target, it is not the best in terms of performance of the stock. But let me show you quite interesting update from this point of view. Why this asset is still moving down? Let me show you first of all that SOFI has quite high level of institutional investors, and this means it has quite high level of retail investors as well. So according to fintel.io, you can see that about 52.17% belongs to institutional shareholders. 52.17% of shares belongs to institutional shareholders. And if you take a look right here, this chart shows us that we still have the highest level ever of institutional ownership of SOFI. But at the same time, guys, take a look right here. Here's the Travis Twitter account, Fun of Investing, and just yesterday he published this screenshot. ARK Invest, Kathy Woods, basically sold her SOFI shares entirely, and let me quote this. She had over 10 million shares this time last year in March 2024, and 4.88 million shares last week, and now it close to 0 shares. And guys, I have to admit that ARK Invest has quite interesting disclosure policy, because they basically you can track all their trades in pretty much live format instead of having about 45% delay on 13F and NP filings. And that is why, guys, because of the quite high number of retail investors, and because of this data that ARK Invest and SOFI and Kathy Wood sold her entire number of SOFI shares, potentially this quite harsh retracement happened partially because of the information that was disclosed by ARK Invest. And in general, I would say SOFI has a very good fundamentals. It still has all the chances to break its all-time highs and this swing high as well. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, SOFI is approaching to its crucial point. It is 0.65 to 0.618 retracement levels. If I pull this retracement, fib retracement tool from the bottom of the entire third wave to the top of the third wave, and even to the top of the extension in the B wave. And guys, to be honest, it is not so important for now from what level we have to pull this tool. Because in general, the range of support might be all the way down to $10 mark from the current price. And this quite deep retracement pretty much already unloaded this entire movement. That is why, guys, in a grand scheme of things, we might see the trend reversal. That will be the lowest point for SOFI for forever, basically. We will not touch this level ever again. And let's switch again to hourly time frame. What do we have on the microscopic level? As you can see, we have to have 5 waves inside our C wave, and for now we have potentially only the first wave right here. This is the second, and here is the third wave. For now, guys, I have to admit that it is the trickiest wave because technically this is our first internal wave, this is our second internal wave. Wait a second, how deep, how high these 2 points are. 14.9, and here's 14.87, 14.87. So this point is higher than this one. This means, guys, let me show you like this. This might be the first wave. This is the second. Oh, again, quite tricky. Third, fourth, and fifth. And I have to downgrade this scale in order to make it different. And in this case, the bottom of our third wave might be even lower. Guys, take a look right here. Let me show you the wave itself. And here is the trickiest part. We have 1, 2, 3. We have a lack of waves inside the third wave. Then we have to have fourth wave to the upside, then another leg to the downside into the fifth wave. And this will be only the bottom of the third wave. Then we have to have this bounce to the upside to complete the fourth wave on a bigger scale, and another leg to the downside that will complete the entire fifth wave to the downside, the entire movement to the downside. But I would say it is extremely complicated, and potentially we already have this wave as a completed structure, or we might have even something different inside this movement. That is why, guys, technically speaking, I have a lot of doubts that we have at least two additional set of waves to the downside, because we have to see some kind of reaction out of golden pocket range, and we are here. We are pretty much already here. That is why, guys, my main assumption is following. Let's delete this tool and let me show you a slightly bigger picture. Wait a second. Let me show you slightly bigger picture on 2 hours time frame. We have this range from $10.35 to $10.75 as the potential range of support. And if it is the case, guys, we have to see some kind of reaction that should unload again this movement from its swing high to the lowest point. And in this case, guys, the bounce might be also quite massive. Let me show you. It might hit next level of support, probably $13 or somewhere at around $14, which is to $13 might be up to 24% of potential profit. So it is too early to make this assumption, but guys, we have all the chances to see the bounce that will also correspond with the bounce for the entire market. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag,